Hello, Min. Good evening.
Okay.
Yes. How are you?
I'm fine.
Very good. Wow, your haircut looks nice. Okay. So what's the weather today, Nick? Min,
It's
what's the weather?
foggy.
Oh,
It's
wow, that's really nice because it's foggy. Have you eaten dinner yet?
yes,
Very good. I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
yes.
Great. So finally, we are in Unit 13. It's all about different homes. Okay, now let's learn the words. Look, listen, and repeat.
Door,
Dog.
Very good.
leaves,
Leaves.
Nice.
tree,
Cheese.
Great. Now look at this one, Nick. This is a door. Okay, a door is a part of the house where we could open it so that we can enter and we can close it once we enter. Okay, this is the entrance and the exit of our house. Okay, now look at your house. How many doors do you have? How many?
Fine.
Wow, that's a lot. What color are they?
It's white.
Very good. Okay, now look, these are leaves. Leaves means many, but if it's only one, we call it leaf. Okay, now where do leaves come from? Okay, the leaves fall from the trees. Okay, now look outside through your window. Are there any leaves? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good. Okay, what about some trees? Are there trees outside your house?
Yes.
Very good. So if there are trees, then I think there must be leaves. Okay, anyway, look, listen, and repeat.
wall,
Wall.
Very good.
roof,
Roof.
Nice. Chimney.
Chimney.
chimney,
Very good. Okay, now look at this wall. Okay, this is a wall that is made of brick. Now look at your wall. What color is your wall, Min?
It's brown.
Very good. Okay, now look at the roof. Every house has a roof. Okay, because our roof is something that protects our house from the rain, from the sun, and other things. Okay, our roof is the top part of our house, like this. Okay, now what color is your roof?
It's orange.
Very good. That's a nice color. Okay, now look at the chimney. Okay, if we have a fireplace inside our house, okay, and it is so cold and we would have some fire inside the house to make us feel warm, then the smoke from the fireplace will goes out through the chimney. Okay, a chimney is like this. For example, this is your roof. Then a chimney is right over here. Okay, the smoke will come out from the chimney so that you won't be suffocated inside the house. Okay, do you have a chimney? Yes or no? Do you have a chimney in your house? Yes or no? Okay, in Vietnamese, this is what a chimney is. Listen carefully. Chimney.
Ống khói.
Ong hoi. Do you have a chimney?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good. Okay, so the chimney is for the smoke
No, no,
to
no,
come.
no.
What?
My house is my house is no chimney.
Ah, okay. Then you can say, my house doesn't have a chimney.
My house doesn't have a chimney.
Very good, Mean. Okay, now look, listen, and repeat.
Window.
Window,
Nice.
Basement.
basement,
Very good.
Balcony.
balcony.
Great. Now look around your house. How many windows do you have?
One window.
Just one window. Great. When you look out through the window, you can see from the outside view of your house. Okay. Now, look, this is a basement. A basement is a place down or at the bottom part of our house where we could put all the things that we don't need anymore. Okay. Now, have you got a basement? Yes or no? Yes. Have you got a basement? Yes or no?
No, no,
That's all right. Okay, now what about a balcony? Do you have a balcony? Do you have a balcony? Look, this is a balcony. It is usually on top of our house where we could open the door, go outside, and look down on the street. And it's very fresh. And sometimes we could put plants on our balcony. In Vietnamese, this is balcony.
Ban công.
That's balcony. Do you have a balcony?
yes.
Wow, very good, Mean. All right. Now look at this. Listen and say.
Stair.
There,
Very good.
Mat.
neat,
Matt.
mat,
Nice.
Grass.
grass,
Very good. Okay, now, do you have some stairs in your house?
no, I don't.
That okay, great. Now, how about a mat? Do you have a mat? Do you have a mat? Yes or no? Mat.
Chiếu.
Do you have a mat? Hello, Min.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, do you have a mat in your house? Yes or no? Do you have a mat in your house?
Nhà bạn có chiếu không?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, now this time I want you to look and draw lines between the words in the boxes and in picture A. There is one example. Look, door, door. Look at the
Door.
house. This is the door.
Door.
Now, what about the leaves? Where are the leaves? Now, draw lines. Where are the leaves? Very good. Okay, what about the trees? Where are the trees? Great job. Okay, now, what about the wall? Where is the wall? How about the wall? Where is it? That's right. What about the roof? Where is the roof? Roof. All right. The roof is just this one. Okay. What about the chimney? Chimney. Great job. Okay. Where is the window? Window. Very good. What about the basement? Basement. Where is the basement?
Where between.
All right. Look. Where is the basement? Where is the basement?
Tầng hầm ở đâu?
Basement. It right here. Basement. Okay. What about the balcony? Where is the balcony? Where's the balcony? Very good. Okay. How about the stairs? Where are the stairs?
It's in a hand.
Where are the stairs? Very good, Mean.
Mm.
Very good. What about
Anh
the
bắt mắt.
stairs?
Đúng rồi.
Where is the stairs?
Dạ.
Stairs. Great job. It looks neat now. Thank you for that. Wow, nice. Okay, how about the mat? Someone is sleeping on the mat, and that is a cat. Great. And lastly, grass. Well done. Give me a high five, Mean. Wow, very good. So you've got a perfect score of 10 out of 10 here. Nice. That is one big star for you. Great job. Now, this time, Mean, I want you to look at the picture. You listen to teacher and say, okay, look, we are on the trees. Okay, what are on the trees? They are leaves. Okay, now what about number two? Your turn. I'm on the first floor outside the window. What is that? I'm on the first floor outside the window.
Basement.
It's the
Balcony.
balcony outside the window. Very good. Okay, number three. I am under the ground at the bottom of the house. I am under the ground at the bottom of the house. What is that? What does that mean?
Không biết ghế.
It is
Đấy,
I'm under the ground at the bottom of the house. Who am I? Look,
Kè.
I'm under the ground at the bottom of the house. Who am I?
Tôi đang ở dưới lòng đất, ở cuối ngôi nhà tôi là ai?
Cat.
Okay, I am a
Cat.
ah,
Basement.
very good. Say basement.
Basement.
Nice. Number four. That's cats sleeping on me. What am I?
Man.
Very
Man.
good. Okay, number five. There are 11 of us in this house. Who
Um,
are we?
is window.
Wow, you are smart. Very good. Okay, now give me a high five for that because you have this. Great job. Yay. Now this time, let's read and choose the best answer. There is one example. Look, look. Hi, Mark. I had lots of fun this afternoon. Tell me about it. Now, I am Sally and you are Mark. Okay? Okay? All right. Now, number one. I went to that big old house where my uncle works. What's your answer mean?
I know that's face.
Very good. Okay. I helped the cameraman today.
Come on.
I try again. I helped the cameraman today.
We don't.
Okay, well done. You say well done. Oh, wait a minute. Number two, we are not yet in number five. Look, they're making a movie inside the house. They're
It's
making a
not,
movie.
it's not fresh.
All right, try again.
How existing.
Very good. How exciting. Okay, number three. There were lots of famous people there today.
So I.
Try again, Min.
So I.
Try again. Choose another answer.
Mm.
There were lots of famous
Really?
people there. Very good. Really? Okay. Number four. Is your uncle in the movie?
No, you must.
Try again. Is your uncle in the movie?
Yes, he is.
That is correct. Yes, he is. Number five. I helped the cameraman today.
Well done.
Very good. Okay, lastly, I can show you part of the movie on my phone.
Me
I can
too.
show you. Try again.
Fantastic.
Very good. Fantastic. Give me a high five, Mean. Wow, you're getting smarter and smarter. That's 5 out of 5. Very good. So you have this one big happy star. Okay. Now let's look at this one, Min. Now look at the conversation. Okay. And you complete the sentences here. There is one example. Sally and Mark are talking about the things that Sally did this afternoon. Okay. Now, what about number two? Look, read, and tell me your answer. Sally's uncle works
House.
in,
House.
okay, in a big old house. Very good. Now look, the people inside the house are making What
Making
are
a movie.
very good? Making a movie. Okay, now what about number 3?
Some famous people. Yeah.
Very good. Okay, how about number 4?
Daily worker with the
Sally worked with the,
mover.
okay, with the cameraman today. How about number 5? Sally and Mark can watch part of the scary movie on Sally's.
Phone. My phone.
Wow, that's correct. Okay, you've got a perfect score of 5 out of 5 again. Well done. Give me a high five. Very good. So that is a great job for you, Min. All right. Now, Min, let's look at this one. Look and read, please. In speaking part 3. Oh, by the way, wait me a minute. Okay.
Is making
Min,
part
I want
3.
you to enter one more time in Zoom because my Zoom is only limited to 30 minutes. Since we're going to have a 1 hour class, so please enter again. Okay?
Tôi muốn bạn.
Oh, mean. This is mean.
Minh, tôi muốn bạn vào Zoom một lần nữa vì Zoom của tôi chỉ giới hạn trong 30 phút vì chúng ta sẽ có lớp học 1 giờ nên vui lòng vào lại nhé.
Okay?
Okay.
Very
Okay.
good. See you later.